everyone, this is Muskan here and you guys are watching MK Brad Classes. So today we are gonna discuss about 7 tips on speaking English fluently and confidently. I again repeat, we are gonna discuss about 7 tips on speaking English fluently and confidently. So earlier also I have posted some videos regarding this topic. If you haven't checked them, please go and check on my channel MK Brad Classes. So beginning with our class, the 7 tips or the 7 points which can make your English fluent and can make you confident of speaking the English are: goal is to deliver a message, not speak perfect English with perfect vocabulary with perfect grammar. Again repeating our goal, that don't be afraid of making mistakes. Your only goal is to deliver messages but not with perfect English, not with perfect vocabulary and not with perfect grammar. And next thing, the next goal yours should be start hearing. Start hearing from other friends. Start communicating with your friends in English if you want to increase or if you want to make your English fluent. Start hearing English news. The best channel to hear English is BBC News channel. This channel is amazing if you wanna make your English fluent. So start hearing the new words, start watching movies, English movies, start watching English or start hearing English songs, so that you should start grabbing some new words, new vocabulary. These all things will increase your vocabulary skills and also will make you help how to pronounce a word. If you know, if you are very intelligent in having or grabbing some new words from your friends, from your TV, from your phone or etc., but still you do not know how to pronounce it well, then nothing is of use. The person who can pronounce a word clearly, which is audible and clear to the next person who is talking to him or her, then only it is useful, right? Start, if you do not know how to pronounce a word, Google it. Everything is there, technology is there. If you are not clear how to pronounce it, go and Google it. By 1 second you are gonna know that what is the correct pronunciation for it. The main tip of our class is this, that practice, practice, practice. As we all know, practice makes a man perfect. Without practice, no one can attain their goals in their life. If you have a goal in your life that you have to do this, I have to speak English, I have to speak fluent English, and like my other friends, so like sitting idle or just wasting your time by chit chatting on phones, by watching TV, you cannot attain anything. Start practicing, start hearing English news, start watching English movies, attain different or grab some words from the Google, from YouTube, from this video. I will be also putting some new words which can improve your English. There are many words like instead of using happy is a very common word. Every single person uses happy word. Instead of using happy word, use joy, full of joy. I am happy, so old concept. Use I am full of joy, right? I've already added this video on my YouTube channel. If you do not check it, you are not gonna attain anything, right? And if you attain all these points, if you are gonna grab these all points, I am damn sure about it that you can celebrate your success of speaking fluent and confident English, right? And now these all are the points which you need to focus. Just focus. Without focus you cannot attain anything. Just start writing new English words. Grab some new vocabulary. Okay, the other person speaks happy word, use full of joy. Other person speaks I am angry, use the word temper. All these words can make your English good and effective. So these are the most important points which can help you speaking English fluently and confidently. And if you do not practice, then you are not gonna attain anything. Start solving some examples, or start having some different kinds of books, and start grabbing vocabulary words, different words. Like I told you, happy. For example, a word happy, right? So what are the other words you can use instead of saying happy word? Tomorrow we will be discussing about such all topics only. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. If you find this video useful, please comment it below and tell me that what are the things you need to know, what are the things you want to learn. So thank you. I hope you will find this video effective and innovative. Thank you.